Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hannah. I swear I am wearing a dress. I am not naked, but I just wanted to start off my video. We are back in Bermuda. I'm here with my entire family and my aunt and uncle. We go every year for a week. It's kind of a tradition, and I am so excited to be back on this beautiful island. I missed it so much, even though I was thankfully here a couple months ago. I'm always ready to be back. It's like my favorite place on earth. It's so beautiful. We got in yesterday. I didn't film yesterday just because we were so tired from the trip and we had to go through COVID testing and everything. And then this morning we woke up and we headed to the beach, and it was a beautiful beach day. And now we're getting ready to go out to eat. We're just gonna go up to Henry VIII, which is a 5-minute walk from a hotel. Super easy, super casual. I'm just wearing this dress from Durf Avenue. I absolutely love this dress so much. It's so easy. If you're looking for an easy summer dress, I throw it on. You can easily dress it up. You can easily dress it down. It's honestly perfect, but we're still getting ready. I'm already ready. Surprisingly, I'm like the first one ready. That never happens, but people are just kind of, since we don't have any reservations and we're just walking up to the restaurant, we're kind of taking it slow and relaxing and not rushing. We're on island time, so no rush here, but I just wanted to say hi and start the video, and I hope you guys enjoy, because another Bermuda vlog. I hope you liked the last one because you're getting another one, so hope you guys like it. Love you.
Now here's the real deal. Look at
We
that.
are walking.
I'm vlogging.
Oh my gosh. We are walking to Henry VIII. The beautiful view in the background. I literally every single time just can't get over it. Molly, show your outfit. So cute. I love that bra, knit bra.
You bought it for me.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, that's probably why I like it. But we're walking to Henry VIII. I'm gonna have sushi. I'm so excited. Probably some white wine. And that's about it. Just wanted to update you guys. This view is stunning.
Yeah!
Oh, hi, friend. Do you have room for 7?
Even if I don't have, I can put it anywhere. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Mango avocado mushroom.
Thank you. 2 of them.
Yeah,
Perfect.
This is the surprise sushi for you.
We just got back from dinner. I had 2 sushi rolls and seaweed salad and edamame, and it was so good. All the rest of the people besides Sarah and I are upstairs getting dessert that we cannot eat because it has dairy in it. So they went up to get that, and we are having dessert here. But I changed into comfy clothes. Is that good?
I thought you were the one who told me about it.
I think I've had it before, but I don't really know. It's like
I swear
eat
you were the one who
pastry,
told me.
cookie dough, chocolate chip. You can eat this raw, right?
Yeah.
Let me try it. I have gum in my mouth, so it's probably gonna taste gross.
I want you to taste this chocolate bar.
I'm like really full, but
It's good.
I love cookies though. Like cookie dough. Like I love chocolate chip cookie dough. Oh, there's stuff in this.
Yeah, there's already a piece broken off.
Yeah, I'm breaking it tinier.
Yeah, it's almond sea salt. That's not the reaction.
No, it's really good.
It's so thick.
Tony's
Like a proper bar.
dark chocolate. We got it all here. I just tried these for the first time. We got these to bring. They're called, you probably have already heard of them, but the Smart Sweets, and these are the sweetest fish. So good. I'm obsessed with them. They're incredible. But we're gonna probably eat some dessert and go to bed. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. We had a lot of rain this morning, but it looks like the sun is coming out. Let's all pray because it will be so sad if it's gross all day, but I think the weather is trying to clear up. It's still a little windy, but hopefully it will calm down soon so we can go down to the beach. But we just had a very chill morning because it was pouring down rain. We just did a workout, had some breakfast, had coffee, and now we're just patiently waiting for the sun to come out. But I just wanted to say good morning and hope you guys are having a lovely day. Molly's over here reading, Sarah's in the back eating some vegetables. But yeah, just wanted to start the day and say good morning. We just came back up from the beach and we took a shower and my dad opened a bottle of wine. So we're having some wine and just chilling. We're staying in tonight, not doing anything for going out to dinner or anything. It's been a really windy, on and off rain kind of day. So we're just taking it easy today and relaxing. But yeah, we're just gonna have a chill night, order room service and probably play some board games and whatever else we do, but I'll keep you guys updated. The next day in Bermuda. It is absolutely beautiful out. I'm so excited because yesterday it was on and off rain, so it wasn't the best day, but we still got some sun in, so it wasn't terrible. I will take it. I will take any day in Bermuda over nothing. But I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning to watch the USA play, the USA women's soccer team, and they tied, so they move on to the next round, so I'm happy about that. I wish it was a little better game to be waking up at 5 a.m. for, but I'll take the tie. And then moving on to the knockout rounds, hopefully they play a lot better moving forward. But it is such a beautiful day here, so I'm so excited to get on the beach. I'm gonna do a little workout to start off my day and then probably have some coffee and then head to the beach. So I think I'm just gonna do a boxing workout. My dad got the mirror for our family for Christmas, so I've been doing their workouts, which I really like, how you don't even need the mirror to do the workouts too. Like I can do them just on my phone, and I really like the boxing workouts because I miss going to boxing because I haven't been in a while because I had a really bad cold like 2 weeks before I came here. And then I literally haven't gone to boxing in 3 weeks or so. So I've been missing it, but I've been doing boxing on my phone, which has been helping a lot. So I think I'm gonna do a quick little boxing workout and then head to the beach.
Line with your toes. Squat jumps. Let's go, RMA squat jumps, Down and up, down and up, down and up. Good. Push-ups. Caitlin, drop down. Give me those push-ups. Remember, make sure.
I have a cough drop in. Hey guys, we are all ready for dinner. We just spent the day at the beach and then came back, took showers, and got all dressed. We're going to Four Ways. I've never been to that restaurant before, so I'm excited to try out a new restaurant. But I'm wearing this new dress that I got from Naked. You'll see it in my naked unboxing video that should already be out by now. And then I just did my hair in beachy waves with some braids in it. Just keeping it very vacation-like, and then some gold jewelry, and then I'm bringing a sweater. But that's my look for tonight, and we're heading out to dinner. So I'll show you the restaurant and what I get and everything else that happens tonight. Hey guys, I am so tired. We just got back from dinner a little bit ago, and it is literally like 10:55. The dinner was incredible. It was so good. I am so full. I feel like I am 4 months pregnant. Thanksgiving, like how you feel after you eat Thanksgiving, like you're just so full that it's just like you're just so full, and now I'm in like a complete food coma and I'm so tired. I cannot wait to go to bed, but I just wanted to hop on and say good night, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, I am starting my vlog a little late today, but we just got COVID testing and now we are in downtown Hamilton and we're just walking around and eating dinner. We had a pretty chill day. We just stayed on the beach for a little bit, and then we came back up and got ready because we had to get tested before 5, and now we're just walking down downtown Hamilton, and there's a big harbor night tonight, so we're gonna go to that and it will be really fun, so I'll take you guys along with us. And we're also gonna get some pizza tonight, which I'm really excited for. Hi guys, sorry if you can't hear me because of the wind, but we just got back from downtown. It was so nice to see them doing Harbor Night again. I've been once or twice before. This time there wasn't as many vendors and it wasn't as crowded because they just started doing it again 3 weeks ago, so hopefully next time we come it will be a lot busier and a lot more vendors and things like that. But it was still so nice to see Bermuda getting back to normal. But I got this necklace downtown. I absolutely love it. And I also got this really nice lounge set. But we went and did our COVID testing, and then we went to one of our favorite pizza place downtown. That was so good. I was so in the mood for pizza, so that was incredible. But I came outside really quick. I'm so sorry if it's windy and if you can't even hear me, this is gonna be so bad, but I wanted to show you the beautiful sunset, or just the sky in general, because it's so pretty. Let's see if it will focus. There we go. Oh, so pretty. The water looks beautiful right now. Wanted to show you guys that and tell you guys about our night. Obviously you'll see it in the video, but I probably are gonna end off the vlog tonight. We're probably just gonna hang out and chill, maybe play some games, I don't know, but I will see you guys in the morning. Love you. We are currently on our morning walk. This is the first walk that I've been on this week. which is surprising because I usually go on a walk every morning. I just have been feeling doing other workouts in the morning, but it feels so good to walk this morning. It was a great walk because it was drizzling a little bit, so it kept it really cool and nice. I'm really out of breath if you can't tell, but we're almost finished our walk, and then I'm gonna have some morning cup of coffee, my morning cup of coffee. I'm so excited, but just wanted to say good morning, and it's the next day. This is our second to last full day, so we have today and tomorrow, and then we leave Saturday. But our flight's usually in the afternoon, so we usually have the morning that we can lay at the pool for a little bit, so we'll definitely be doing that. I did get a little burnt yesterday on my back, so gotta make sure I don't get more burnt today, but it is another beautiful day in Bermuda. Hey guys, it is our last day here. I have done a terrible job with filming this week. I don't even know what I got, to be honest, but if I got something, I will throw it all together for you guys. But I honestly also just wanted to really enjoy this trip and spend time with my family and my aunt and uncle, because I don't get to see them or spend a lot of quality time with them just because my sisters are away. They don't live in Maryland anymore. So it was just nice to take the time and really spend time with them and enjoy their company. But it is the last morning here. We leave today and we woke up at 6 to watch the sunrise on the beach. We're headed down there now to do that. But yesterday, the 2 days that I didn't really film, one, we went to Blue, which is like my favorite restaurant on the island, but it was really rainy and gross, so I didn't take you guys with me. And then last night we just ate, what? No? You want to be in it? Okay. And then last night we went to Coconuts just in the resort, just to have one last night here. It was really chill and we stayed on the beach really long, so it was really good. My camera is fogging up. It is so foggy here, so I apologize, but that is what we did. And then we just I packed a little last night, and now we're watching the sunrise on the beach. I told them that. It is so foggy. She wants to be in it. So that's what we're doing. This is the beautiful beach. You can't really see it because it's so freaking foggy. I'll show you it when my camera stops fogging, but I almost fell last morning here. We just got up from the beach and I went for a morning swim, my last swim here. I am so sad to be leaving, but so thankful that I get to come to this beautiful island every year and spend time with my family. But I just wanted to end off the vlog. I have no idea what footage I got, to be honest. If I got anything, I'll put it together, but it might be all over the place, so I apologize if it is. But I hope you enjoyed another Bermuda vlog. I just absolutely love it here. I am so thankful. But I will see you guys in my next video. We're just going to be packing and doing not that exciting stuff the rest of the day before we have to leave for the airport, so I thought I would go ahead and end the vlog. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.